Right, ladies and gentlemen, could you please put your hands together for Mr. Howard Needham?
3 o'clock in the morning, and it looks like it's gonna be another sleepless night. I've been listening to your dreams and getting very low, wondering what I can do. Maybe I'm being foolish, 'cause I haven't heard you mention anybody's name at all. How I wish I could be sure it's me that turns you on. Each time you close your eyes, heard it said the dreamers never lie. You've been talking in your sleep, sleeping in your dreams, some sweet lover, holding on so tight, loving him the way you used to love me. Talking in your sleep, with loving on your mind. Maybe I'm being foolish, 'cause I haven't heard you mention anybody's name at all. How I wish I could be sure it's me that turns you on. Each time you close your eyes, I heard it said the dreamers never lie. You've been talking in your sleep, sleeping in your dreams, with some sweet lover, holding on so tight, loving him the way you used to love me. Talking in your sleep, loving on your mind. Crystal Gale. Got along without you before I met you, gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody twice as cute, 'cause you didn't love me anyhow. Ran around with every boy in town, never cared if you got me down. Worried me, always on my guard. You laughed at me 'cause I tried so hard. Gonna get along without you now. Boom, boom. Gonna get along without you now. Got along without you before I met you. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody twice as cute, 'cause you didn't love me anyhow. I lost my money and I lost my pride. Didn't have much money, but I really tried. Made you happy when you made me cry. Broke my heart, so I said goodbye. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna get along without you now. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna get along without you now. That one.
It wasn't bad, alright?
Trudy Lopez. He did the original, apparently. We need a guitar player with it.
Howard just said.
Guess who just got back today? The wild-eyed, the voice in the way. changed, haven't much to say. But man, them cats are crazy. They've been asking if you were around, how you was and where you could be found. I told them you were living downtown, driving all the old men crazy. Boys are back in town.
Beautiful. Louder.
Boys are back in town. The boys are back in town.
Louder.
The boys are back in town. Woo! You know that chick that used to dance a lot? Every night she on the floor shaking what she got. And I tell you she's cool, she was red hot. I mean she was steaming. From the time over at Johnny's place, well this chick got up and she slapped Johnny's face. And we just fell about the way. That chick don't wanna no forget her. Boys are back in town. 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 Friday night they'd be dressed to kill, down the Dino bar and grill. Drinks would flow and the blood would spill. These boys, when it fights, you better let 'em. Jukebox in the corner blasting out my favorite song. Nights are getting warmer, it won't be long. Won't be long till summer's gone. Now the boys are here again. The boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town.
The one before? Ah, that was about 20 years ago, wasn't it? Yeah.
Maybe 30.
Now then, know this one.
Where's for this guy?
One-way ticket. One-way ticket. One-way ticket. One-way ticket to the blues. Choo-choo train, chugging down the track. Gotta travel on, never coming back. Oh, oh. Got a one-way ticket to the blues. Bye-bye, love, my baby's leaving me. Now lonely teardrop are all that I can see. Oh, oh. Got a one-way ticket to the blues. Gonna take a trip to Lonesome Town. Gonna stay at Heartbreak Hotel. Fools such as I never was. I cried tears so well. One-way ticket. the blues.
Eruption. But it's based on a Neil Sedaka song. That's Eruption, that version. Band called Eruption. Do you want only 16 or do you want not push city limits? The church house in house, schoolhouse out house, Owen number 19. People keep the city clean. They call it nutbush. Oh, nutbush. They call it nutbush city limits. Nutbush city limits. 25 was the speed limit. Motorcycle, not a light ahead. You go to the store on a Friday. You go to church on a Sunday. They call it nutbush. Oh, nutbush. They call it nutbush city limits. Nutbush city limits. We go to the fields on the weekdays. Have a picnic on Labor Day. We go to town on Saturday. We go to church on Sunday. They call it nutbush. Oh, nutbush. They call it nutbush city limits. Nutbush city limits. No whiskey for sale. Get drunk, go to bed. So poor molasses. So you get in jail. They call it nutbush. Oh, nutbush. They call it nutbush city limits. Nutbush city limits. A little town in Tennessee. Quite a little community. A one-horse town. You gotta watch what we're putting down. We call it nutbush. Oh, nutbush. We call it nutbush city limits. Nutbush city limits. Nutbush city limits. Nutbush city limits. Put your hands for Mr. Howard Needham. Very good, a few minutes. Our next artist.